Hi plant babes, my name is Naomi. I'm the plant mama. Today's video I'm going to be talking about watering your container garden. So I'm going to share some tips with you. Right now I'm up bright and early. It's the best time of day for me to water the garden. If you like the content of my videos and the information that I'm sharing with you, please hit like and subscribe. Also comment and ask questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts or your feedback. If there's any information or content you would like me to do a video on, please let me know. And with that said, we'll get started. You always want to water your plants early in the morning, preferably before the sun hits. And again, you always want to water right at the base of the plant. Make sure they get enough water so that they stay moist throughout the day. So plants that are growing in pots, the soil tends to dry out a lot quicker. And if you live in a hot climate like I am, Georgia weather, it tends to get really hot. Like today it's going to be 85 degrees. So even though I watered this first thing in the morning, when I get home from work, it's probably going to be a little bit dry. And usually I'll just test it out or just check to see if the leaves are wilted, and if they are, that typically is a sign that they need some more water. So I'll water it again in the evening. So tomato plants have like this fuzzy fur on the stem and the leaves. So that's why it's important to water when you're watering your tomato plants or any plant that's similar that has like the fuzz on it. You want to make sure you're watering at the base. If you get water on the stems, on the leaves, and the beating hot sun hits it, the water molecules act as magnifying glasses and they will burn your leaves. And what will happen is it will leave them open or susceptible to mildew and other diseases. So you always want to make sure that you are watering your plants at the base and try to avoid watering your plants from the top down. And this will keep your leaves healthy and away from diseases and fungus. And here we got some little tomatoes growing in right here. So thank you for joining today's garden chat. If you like the content of this video, remember to click like and subscribe, and I will be back with you for more content. Thank you so much for joining, and happy gardening.